Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 2 of 2023-24. This is part number B, part B chemistry. So in the previous video we have answered all the questions related to physics. Now let us answer for chemistry. This is part 2 of practice paper 2, and maximum marks that allotted for chemistry is 14 marks in this paper. So let us see the first question, that is 8th question. Up to 7 questions we have solved in physics. Now the 8th question is hydrocarbon with general molecular formula CnH2n minus 2 are dash alkane, alkenes, alkynes and benzene compound. So among these 4 options, the right answer is alkynes. CnH2n minus 2 is alkynes. Therefore, for 8th question, the right answer is option C, that is alkynes. So now let us move for the 9th question. So the 9th question is, name the layer that protects life on earth from ultraviolet rays. Actually, this is the question related to biology, but in this paper they have included in chemistry. So the name the layer that protects life on earth from ultraviolet rays, that layer is called as the 9th one, that is ozone layer. The right answer is ozone layer. So now let us move for 10th question. So the 10th question is given as a saturated hydrocarbon having the formula having a saturated hydrocarbon having the formula CnH2n as 6 hydrogens. Write the name of this compound and write the structure. So a saturated hydrocarbon having the formula CnH2n plus 2 has 6 hydrogens. Write the name of this compound and write the structure. So 6 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ n ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, then C is 2. Then let us write here. So what is the general formula we are using here? So a saturated hydrocarbon having general formula CnH2n plus 2. So now in place of n you substitute 2. C, n andre 2, H 2 into 2 plus 2. So it will become C2, H 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So C2H6. C2H6 means carbon 2 is there, means that saturated hydrocarbon is ethane. So ethane is the saturated hydrocarbon. So this is the molecular formula of ethane. Now let us write the structural formula. So 2 carbon, 1, 2. So in between carbon and carbon and other atoms, between carbon and hydrogen, everywhere we have to use single bond. So because it is less reactive. So 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. This is the structural formula of ethane. Now let us move for the next question. That is it is 2 marks question and 11. So here 4 questions are there. Each question carry 2 marks. So total 8 marks, 4 questions. So 11th question is state the properties of covalent compounds. So now let us make a list of properties of covalent compounds. So the first property of covalent compound is the first one, they have. So this is 11th one. The first property is they have low MP and BP. They have low MP and BP. This is the first one. The second property of covalent compound is they have small intermolecular force. They have small intermolecular forces. Then next one, they have strong bond within the molecule. They have strong bond within the molecule. And the next property is that they do not form they do not form charged particles. They do not form because they do not form charged particles. They never lose, they never gain the electrons, but they will share the electrons, and hence no charged particles are formed. So this is the answer for 11th one. Now let us move for the 12th question. So the 12th question is, write the differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So now let us make a list of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So one side let us write make a list of saturated and another side unsaturated. So saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon. So saturated, they have single bond. Saturated, they have single bond. Unsaturated, they have double or triple bond. They have double or triple bond. Then the second difference between saturated and unsaturated. Saturated, it is less reactive. Unsaturated, it is more reactive. Saturated, less reactive. Unsaturated, more reactive. Then the third difference between them is that saturated, it undergoes, saturated hydrocarbon undergoes substitution reaction. Undergoes substitution reaction, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbon, it undergoes addition reaction. It undergoes addition reaction. So these are the differences between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So now let us move for question number, that is 13. So question number 13, they have given, write the unique properties of carbon and write its dot formula. So now let us write the unique property of carbon. So the two unique properties of carbon, one is called as catenation. The self-linking property of carbon with carbon or carbon with other atoms in the form of chain, that is catenation. And second unique property is called tetravalency. So catenation and tetravalency are the two unique property of carbon. So we know that carbon atomic number is 6. So how to distribute the electrons? So the electronic configuration is 2, 4. So now this is carbon. So carbon, it has 4 valence electron. It never gains or it never lose, but it will share these 4 electrons with other atoms. So it will share like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the dot structure or dot formula of carbon. So these 4 electrons will be shared to, it will share with others. So now let us move for the question number 14. So in the question number 14, they have given, write the structures and name of the second member of the carbon compound with the functional group OH. So write the structure and name of the second member of the carbon compound with the functional group OH. So functional group OH means, this is question number 14. Functional group OH means it is alcohol group. The first member of alcohol is methyl alcohol, and the second is, it is called ethanol, or it is also called as ethyl alcohol. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. So how to write the structure? Eth means 2 carbon. So first you write 2 carbons. So next functional group is OH. So for 1 carbon you link OH. then you make it tetravalent. 1, 2, here 1 hydrogen, 3, then 4, here 1 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the molecular formula? C2, then H5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C2H5, then what is the functional group? OH. So C2H5OH is the molecular formula. So its name is ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and this is the structural formula. So like this we have to write the molecular and structural formula of the second member of carbon compound with functional group OH. So now let us move for question number 15, and this is the last question of chemistry. The question number 15. Write the names of the following compounds. So you have to write the names of this following compound. So let us write the name of this following compound. The first one they have given HCHO. They have given HCHO. So they have given first one HCHO. So now here H is there, here CHO is there. So CHO means it is aldehyde. So only one carbon is there, therefore it is called as methanol, or it is also called as methanoldehyde. It is also called as methanoldehyde. So now structure, one carbon, then double bond O, single bond H, CHO, tetravalent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 2, 3, then remaining is 1, that is H. So HCHO is the molecular formula, structural formula. Methanol or methanoldehyde is the name, and HCHO is the molecular formula. Then coming to the second one, they have given C2H4. So C2H4. So carbon 2 hydrogen 4. That means ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ CnH2n ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CnH2n ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಈಥೀನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ CnH2 ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, C2 2ಗೆ 4, C2H4 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಕೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಥೀನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ 1, 2, between 2 carbon atom double bond, then remaining 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So C2H4 is the molecular formula, and this is the structural formula. Then the third one C, they have given CH3, CO, CH3. So here CO is there. CO means it belongs to a functional group called ketone. So ketone ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ketone ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Since 3 carbon is there, the name of this ketone is called propanol. So propanol is the name of the member of ketone. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು between 2 carbon C double bond O, single bond. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದು 1, 2, 3, 4 CH3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Yes. CH3, CO, CH3. So CH3, CO, CH3. That is propanol. So like this we have to answer these questions. So by this we have answered all the questions of part B chemistry, which carries 14 marks. In the next video we are going to answer all the questions related to biology, that is part C of practice paper number 2. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much for everyone for your great support.